The setup which you all were waiting for is finally here. Hey guys, this is Nick and I am back with Demon Slayer setup. Before we set it up, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post an amazing video. With that being said, let's roll the intro. Go to description and download all the files. Once you have them all, follow this video till end to set it up. First of all, go to Nova settings, go to backup and import settings, go to restore or manage backups and click on the browse at the end. Once you are there, go to any file explorer that you have and go to the directory where you have downloaded all the files. So I have this directory and over here you will find the Demon Slayer _tech with Nick.Nova backup. Click on it. Now click on OK to override the current layout. Now click on the home. So you will see that your backup is restored. Now we need to set the wallpaper. So open the file explorer and go to the directory where you have downloaded your files. Now we have two wallpapers over here. First one is for the red theme and second one is for the yellow theme. Okay, so I'm setting the yellow one over here. So click on the set as, Nova wallpaper, set wallpaper and home screen. Now as you can see the wallpaper is set. Now go to home. Now it's time to set the widgets. So let's click on the first widget. Now go to the installed. Now over here you need to find Terra KWGT and here 031. It's over here, select it. Now in this one, in the layer, increase it to around 123, select OK. Now in the globals, change this custom color to this one, which is FFEEAB44. Okay, select, click on OK. And in this one Ascent, select custom color. Okay. Just down below you will see the dark mode, turn it on, and in the profile pic you can change any pic. You can see this one. Now in your name, set your name. I'm setting Nick. Okay, as you can see all things are set. Now what you need to do, you need to click on the save on top and go to home. Now you see that it is looking amazing. Now click on the second widget. Click on the folder icon on top. Now go to the directory and select Demon Slayer TWN _widget 2. Once you select it, go to export it and you will find that widget over there. If you want to change any icon, then just go over here and replace any icon that you want. If you want to change any applications shortcut, then go to touch and change the application which you want to change. Okay, now one thing, if you want to change, like if you are the left-handed person or if you are right-handed person, then if you want to change the circle and the icon, then just go over here in the position, change the center right to center left and it will be changed. In the same way over here, when the position is R padding is 75, make it 0, and in the L padding change it 75. Now when you will save it, it will be done. Okay, it will be easy. Now second thing that I wanted to show you, if you want to use the red theme, let me just set this as wallpaper. So okay, the wallpaper is set. Now if you want to change it to red, then click on this and change the accent color to the red. Okay, now this color is set, but over here if you want to change the color of second widget, then go to KWGT, click on the second widget, and in this one you have this accent over here, and there you need to change this color to FFE42425. When you will click on the save, the color will be changed, but the icon, or you can say the fingerprint image is not looking that great. So to make it look good, you need to go to this overlap group in this image over here, and over here you need to filter, change this to none, and you'll click on the save now and move to home. It will look good. Okay, it will be white and it is looking great. So let me just make few changes here and there and it will be amazing. So go back over here and in the main layer make it 23. Okay, click on the save, and if you find anything over here, this is disabled already, so there is no need to worry. So just go to home and let me change this image. Okay, as you can see, everything is set and looking perfect. If you want to change the theme and color, then as I said, just go over here, change this color to yellow, and the same way change the accent color of second widget to yellow, and that will change the color of the app drawer. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to do. Okay guys, that's it from this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos. I will see you guys in the next video soon. Until then, this is Nick signing off. Thanks for watching and stay creative.